Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a really fun video, and this is another one of those videos that are out of my league, you know, out of my comfort zone. And I'm just stepping out there because I don't know, but this is a beauty or makeup video, and I don't know if you guys know of the makeup challenge that's out there where you do a makeup tutorial but you're following somebody else that already did it and you're doing their video. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And today I'm going to be doing the tutorial by Kathryn Bedell. And she did a tutorial on Jaclyn Hill new palette. I mean, I know I'm late on it. Well, I'm not really late. You know, I've used this palette once from my best friend's my best friend palette. She has one. So ever since that day I used it. I loved it so much that I finally got my own. I've been trying to get it, but it's been out of stock, and I finally got my hands on it. And you know, and when it comes in the packaging, it comes like it's secure, like secure. It comes in a box, bubble wrap, then it comes in this wrap, and then when you take it out, it's another bubble wrap. So they're making sure that your product is secure, and you just whip it out. And bam, bam, it's the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I love her, so I had to get it. So don't mind my nails, y'all. Look at this palette, y'all. Look at how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. But anyway, yeah, so the tutorial that she did was straight off of Jaclyn Hill palette. So it's the same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to try. I'm not an expert at doing eyeshadows, so that's why I said this is out of my league. But I'm going to try because I do want to get better at it. So here goes nothing. No judging. But here goes nothing. So yeah, guys. So I realized that she didn't prime her eyelids before she did the eyeshadow, so I went ahead and primed my eyelid off camera. But let's get to it. The first one that she used is this color right here. It's called Creamsicle. So she used this for her crease, so I'm going to go ahead and use that color right here for my crease.
So the first color I'm grabbing is Creamsicle on my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm applying this into my transition area.
See the difference. I could definitely see the difference from when I was trying to apply it without the primer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. This is like my transition color. I probably look funny applying this. Y'all probably laughing at me right now, but it is what it is. Go ahead. Like I said, this is out of my league. I don't usually do this on camera.
With the color Hunts, which is this very vibrant orange on my Sigma E35 blending brush. And I'm applying this into my crease first and blending it up into that creamsicle color.
Y'all heard her say it's vibrant, right? Yeah, all that good stuff. So we're going to apply that right here. Spot. Oh, Lord. It seems like my colors are showing up a little brighter than hers. I don't know what's going on here. Lord help us. I heard you're supposed to go, you know, in a circular motion. That's what I heard. Now she went right into the next color. But, you know, I'm going to add this part in. I'm going to blend a little bit because you don't want to, you know, you don't want no harsh lines. You want everything to blend in really well. Now, Miss Amina fait hello. No, je ne.
After that, I'm going in with this dark green shade called Enchanted with my Sigma E36 blending brush. It's a super itty bitty blending brush, and it's perfect for defining the crease. And so basically, I'm just kind of mapping out my halo shape. Going back in with the color Hunts on my Sigma E35 brush to just further blend out those edges and to add a bit more orange back into this look. After that, I'm going back in with that Enchanted shade and I'm just building up that green color. And then I'm going in with that Sigma E35 brush. I'm not applying any more shadow to it. I'm just using what's left over to blend out those edges.
So yes, after that, I'm just going back in with that Enchanted color, you know, just to build up. We're building up that green, like she said. Build it up. On faut again, Gonzalo. On faut faire shadow. Ma qui ça me.
After that, I'm taking a concealer brush and just a random concealer and carving out where my halo color is going to be. And then I'm going in with the color Diva with my Sigma E32 brush and applying this into that area where I put the concealer. After that, I'm going back in with that itty bitty blending brush and I'm adding a bit more of that dark green Enchanted shadow and I'm just deepening up my inner corner and outer corner. And then after that, I'm going back in one more time with that Sigma E35 brush to blend out those edges.
Then I'm going to go back in with this brush, so you know, blend in those edges. The key is, the idea is, when I'm putting on eyeshadow, the whole thing is blending, like literally blending.
After that, I'm taking the color Obsessed on my middle finger, which is this really pretty silvery taupish color, and I'm just going to use this to brighten up my halo. After that, I'm going back in with the dark green Enchanted color and placing it on my lower lash line, leaving a space in the center for the color Diva so that it mimics the halo on my upper lid.
I'm just gonna go back in with this color Hunts to, you know, blend out those 3 shades under my eye. Perhaps I should have done my foundation and everything first, but I'm gonna do that off air. Alright guys, so here I am. I went ahead, my camera had died and she didn't do her whole face on the camera, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera. And y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I was scared a little bit, but let me tell y'all, this is my first time ever doing lashes by myself. And y'all, I'm coming for you. Alright, what? Anyway, who gonna be my mains this summer? Snatching all the mains up this summer. Y'all let me go ahead and learn how to do lashes. Master some, let me keep working on these eyeshadows and master these eyeshadows. Honey, who gonna check me? But now I'm so proud of myself though. But here's the final look. I'm so proud of myself. But let me tell y'all, I give it props to you people, like you, I give props to you YouTubers who do makeup tutorials and all that stuff, because this right here is not for me, so this might be the last time that I even do something like this on camera, maybe like when I'm going out for myself. But it's so hard to like do makeup on camera, like that junk is hard, but I give y'all props. So thank you for watching guys, and let me know if you like this look. You know, this was my first time, like I said, doing this, so go ahead, leave the criticism below. I'll take them as positive criticism just for me to get better, but don't judge me, don't be too harsh on me. But yeah, like I said, let me know if you'd like for me to continue doing stuff like this, yes or no. But you know, I'm still learning. Or let me know what else you would like for me to do on my channel, and we'll see what we can do about it. But don't forget to like, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so you can know when I upload another video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright.